There is nothing more beautiful than walking in the evening, gazing around yourself in the forest, listening to the birds, and feeling the atmosphere that's yellowish by the sunset. Your body to yourself disappears and you don't feel even your existence, your physical existence. You become part of a concept with everything else. You mix with nature, with sunset, with the thin air, with the singing of the birds, and that's a beautiful. It's so quiet and so beautiful that even the paths are clear of people. But of course, I never give up my path because there are no others on it. I keep going.